Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use bookings for Microsoft Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 4, edit a booking. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365 and this company works with a business. In the previous tutorials, I did demonstrate to you how to create and then cancel a booking. In this tutorial, we will recreate and then edit the current booking. So let's now go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case, click on this. Now go to office.com, make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on all applications, go to all applications, scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen to explore your applications, go to bookings. Now we need to click on the calendar. And now let's create a new booking. IT tech support. Let's create this for tomorrow at around 5 o'clock. We can add the customer's name. Let's just add my own name in. Yep, there we go. And the email address is added itself. So we can now create the booking. So this will be for tomorrow. Let's navigate to tomorrow. And now if we click on the booking itself, if we were to click on edit, let's now change the time to 6 o'clock to 8. That's a 2-hour meeting amongst the work colleagues. So we can now update the booking. And that's how you edit a booking. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.